Managing the suppliers is easy with the Noventia Solutions Supplier Manager feature that can be found in the supplier company list. The feature enables the sourcing team to define a specific team member that is responsible for this supplier company. There can be one or several supplier managers nominated to one supplier company. A supplier manager is defined by clicking the person icon and choosing the correct sourcing team members, and then just confirming by clicking Save. The supplier managers can now be viewed right below supplier tags. Whenever a question regarding a supplier company comes up, it's easy to know who would be the correct team member to contact. The feature helps also when it's required to use the search options to find your own supplier companies from the full company list.